Yesterday I received a very special package from Indonesia. Mustafa is the artist of these beautiful butterflies, and he ships to me about every 2 to 3 weeks. The shipments fly halfway across the world, so I can understand why sometimes, especially the delicate pieces, might get a little bit damaged. Luckily, the butterfly snapped where the seam was originally glued together, and none of the paint was actually damaged, so this fix was very simple. If you want to check out the rest of his collection, you can check the link in my bio. Thanks for watching!